Right now, TikTok is offering a coupon on certain products, and the Wyze Duocam is one of those products. And here's how you get that double discount of the coupon and free shipping. What you need to do is click that orange cart below. That's going to show you the $10 off coupon. You need to add the Wyze Duocam version that has the extra battery. That's going to allow you to get the $10 off coupon plus free shipping, and you get an extra battery. If you've been on the fence about getting the Wyze Duocam, now's the time to do it. Click that link below.